In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to enable lossless audio quality on Spotify. Let's get started. First, update your Spotify app to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Then search for the app Spotify. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can launch it. Now click on the profile icon given at the top left. Now navigate to the option Settings and Privacy. Now head over to the option Media Quality. This is where you will find all your audio quality controls. For both Wi-Fi streaming and cellular streaming, you will see a list of audio quality options. Tap Lossless under each one to unlock the highest quality Spotify offers. A pop-up will appear. Just tap Turn on Lossless to confirm. Keep in mind that lossless audio uses a lot more data. If you're not on an unlimited plan, you may want to enable it only for Wi-Fi streaming. You'll also see an option to auto-adjust streaming quality based on your network speed. Leave this turned on if you want Spotify to switch quality automatically whenever your connection slows down. Once everything is set, you are ready to enjoy your favorite tracks in full lossless clarity. So that's all for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.